everybody, welcome to my channel, and I'm excited to be here because I got my hands on these Mickey Family Cute Together keychains, and I'm excited because I've been trying to get a hold of these for the longest time ever, and I'm really excited to be unboxing Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Daisy, Chip, Dale, Pluto, and Goofy. So let's open them together and see how cute they are. So this is the box where they came in. It's a nice big box. I made sure I got the box that had no wrinkles, it wasn't bent or anything. And I have a little assistant. She's off the camera, but she's gonna be helping me, and she's gonna be opening up the first one. And this is how the box looks. Here you go. Oh, and let me show you the way they look. Okay, and as she's opening up one, I'm gonna be opening up another one. Here we go. Oh. Oh. Rip the box. And I'm excited to get Mickey Mouse because he's always been my favorite ever since I was little. Mickey Mouse has always been my favorite Disney character. And here we go. That's the way it looks. Oh, am I gonna be able to open this? Do we need scissors? No, you just let me see what it is. I'm gonna close my eyes. Oh my gosh! Look how cute this is! Oh my goodness! This is the cutest! And I actually got the one I really wanted to open up first. It's so cute! Oh, and then it comes with the card. Oh. This is so cute. They are cute. And they are good quality. And which one did you get over there? Oh my goodness, these are so cute. This one is Donald Duck. Oh my goodness. Look at it. And the quality is cute, and it has nice, like it looks like it has curly hair. It's beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna open up another box. You wanna open up another one? Here we go. Can you put this one back in the box? Thank you. All right, and like I said, my second favorite one is Pluto. And here we go. Which one do you want to go? Want to get? Oh, you don't care? You don't. She doesn't care what she gets. She's not picky like me. Okay, I'm opening up the box. Okay, and here we go. I'm gonna close my eyes. I know which one to open. The ones I wanted to open first, I got Pluto. This is so cute, guys. Look at it. He is so cute. And my little helper here, she got Chip. Look at how cute these are. Oh my goodness. So cute. Okay, let's put it back in the box. We're gonna open more. We have 4 more to open. Okay, here goes one for you and one for me. Which one do you want to open next?
Like the boxes or the characters?
No, the characters. Like which character? Let me see. I hope I open. You know what? Minnie Mouse.
I'll go for Daisy.
Daisy? Okay. So here I go. I'm opening it up. Okay, I don't want to look at the card because there's a card in there and it tells you which one it is. But I don't want to see that yet. Okay, here I go. Oh, I got Dale. Look how cute he looks. He's also one of my favorites. I love his like personality. Look at how cute he looks. Oh my goodness.
I got Daisy.
And she got Daisy.
The one I wanted.
Look at this. Aren't these so cute? Oh, yes. Okay. Stay back. And then the last two that we have left. One for you. So which ones do we need to open?
I think
It's
we need to open the name.
Goofy and Minnie.
Yeah.
I wonder which one you have.
I feel like I have. I don't know.
Okay, I think I have Minnie Mouse.
I feel like I have Goofy.
Okay.
I don't
So
know.
we'll see now which one we have. Okay, here we go. Okay, my eyes closed. Oh my god, look at Goofy. Oh,
And then I also got Minnie Mouse.
this is so cute. Wow, look at them. And they're such good quality too. Nice. So hey guys, as you can see, these are so cute. We got Chip. Look how cute he looks. He's a little cutie. Look at that. Okay. We got Pluto. He is so cute too. Look at that. Put him down over here. We have Daisy. She is cutie, beautiful. We got Minnie Mouse. I love her. We got Goofy. And we got Dale. Donald Duck. And Mickey Mouse. This was really fun, and I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope to see you back soon. And we're gonna have a lot of fun together. Bye, everybody.